Hi there! Meet the TEMOLA battery handheld vacuum cleaner with powerful 12,000 PA suction for quick cleaning. Its upgraded high-speed brushless motor delivers strong suction with less noise and better performance. This rechargeable wireless vacuum is portable and perfect for your car, home, kitchen, or pet hair cleanup. The stainless steel HEPA filter is durable and easy to clean, helping maintain suction power longer. It comes with multiple attachments like dust brushes and grout tools for versatile cleaning. With fast Type-C charging, it fully charges in just 4 hours, and a green light shows when ready. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable to hold and easy to carry anywhere you need. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.